Welcome to a world where steel giants can't break in time, and every second counts. From near disasters to unstoppable collisions, these are the most jaw-dropping train moments ever caught on camera. Hold on tight, this ride's about to get wild.
Отъезжай. Ну туда вон подъезжай. Миша, блядь!
A speeding train smashes into a car that unknowingly drives onto the tracks at night. As the train pushes forward, it locks with the car on the tracks, dragging it helplessly along. Moments later, that car crashed into another, creating a chain of destruction. A speeding car races through the city and fails to notice the approaching tram impact is instant and brutal. Massive waves slam into a train running along the coast, flooding the tracks in an instant. As the barriers come down, a cyclist gets trapped on the tracks, barely squeezing between the gate and the train as it brushes past.
止まった？
プーって鳴らして
止まってる。
止まっちゃった。
In two back-to-back scenes, trucks misjudge the timing and stop too close to the tracks only to be struck full force by oncoming trains.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Smoke pours from a moving train, hinting at a possible fire inside as it continues down the tracks.
Okay, let's go.
A moving train strikes a bird mid-air, sending it tumbling out of sight in an instant. A train plows through the snowy tracks, blasting snow so high it nearly disappears in the whiteout. A tragic moment just as a driver crosses the tracks. A train slams into the vehicle. The blind spot was so severe, he had no chance to see it coming.
One on one. I'll be out with the bell stack on the tracks, trying to get him out. Go on, can you get up? Get up.
An elderly man in a wheelchair gets stuck on the tracks just as the train approaches. A brave bystander rushes in, and after a tense struggle, pulls him to safety at the very last moment. As the train moves forward, sparks fly between its front wheel and the Raylan intense burst of electrical energy lighting up the tracks. A train crashes into a bus stuck on the tracks, dragging it down the line with unstoppable force.
Crazy, man. This just happened.
A train cuts through the market as crates sit calmly on the tracks, business as usual. A motorcyclist realizes the train is too close and leaps away moments later. The train shatters the bike. Several passengers cling to the back of a moving train, risking everything for a dangerous ride. As the train brakes hard, sparks shoot from the wheels, slowing it down in a shower of fire. Don't miss out on moments like these. Subscribe now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out the videos on the side for more, or dive into the playlist to watch them all.